Welcome, viewers, to another episode where we explore innovative approaches to education. Today, we're diving into the world of unschooling, especially for children in grades K through 5. We'll uncover what unschooling truly means and how it can foster curious, confident learners right from your home. Unschooling is a distinctive educational philosophy that emphasizes child-led learning, which caters specifically to a child's interests and learning style. Imagine an environment where children wake up every day eager to explore subjects like astronomy through stargazing or arithmetic through baking their favorite cookies. It's about cultivating a love for learning without the constraints of conventional education frameworks. But how does this work in practice, especially for young learners in their foundational years? At its core, unschooling puts children in the driver's seat of their education. Instead of a fixed curriculum, learning becomes a natural extension of everyday life, led by their curiosity. For instance, learning to read might begin with bedtime stories, or writing could start with crafting letters to family members. Education becomes organic, playful, and deeply individual. Parents act as facilitators rather than traditional teachers, observing their child's interests and providing resources or experiences to nurture those interests further. This personalized approach is designed to create a deep, intrinsic motivation to learn, which many argue is far more impactful than extrinsic pressures like grades and tests. The major benefits of unschooling are clear. Children often develop a passion for learning that extends beyond textbooks. They acquire skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability early on as they navigate topics of personal interest. Socialization, a common concern, is addressed through community interactions, such as local clubs or group projects, providing ample opportunities for peer engagement. However, unschooling does come with challenges. It requires a significant time commitment from parents and a deep trust in the learning process. Parents have to be patient observers and ready to act as guides, helping their children bridge gaps in learning or suggesting resources to deepen exploration. In conclusion, unschooling, particularly for young students, propels learning into a dynamic, vibrant part of life, rather than a separate, compartmentalized activity. As more families embark on this journey, it challenges us to rethink traditional education methodologies, offering a refreshing perspective on what learning can truly be. Whether you're intrigued by the unschooling philosophy or find it aligned with your child's needs, it undoubtedly provides an extraordinary opportunity to reinvent how we approach education in today's world. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to follow to stay updated on my latest content.